Fuck yeah.
Hello?
Calling about the typewriters.
I'm sorry?
I'm calling about the typewriters.
What about the typewriters?
Well, I'm the person that stole them first, and I need to get them back from you.
What are you talking about?
I stole them, and now you have them in your possession, and I need to get those back from you.
Well, I don't think so.
Why are you taking that stance?
Well, because number one, if they're stolen typewriters, why would I give them back to somebody that stole them in the first place?
Well, you stole them from me.
No, I didn't steal them from you.
I stole them from someone else, and now you've stolen them from me, so they're rightfully...
No, actually, somebody left them. And how do you know what typewriters they are?
Hey, don't play games with me. We both know about the typewriters.
No, don't play games with me. Don't play games with me. I don't have a problem calling the cops. I've been through enough. I don't have a problem calling the cops.
I've been to jail before, and I don't care.
So have I. I don't care either. I put the typewriters on the internet. It's none of your business who it is. Who is this?
You tell him just to lay back and shut up.
You lay back and shut the fuck up.
Yeah, what, are you going to get on top of me? You're going to drown me with your...
Hey, whoever you are, you better shut the fuck up. I'll get your number, motherfucker. Leave us alone. Whoever you are.
I'll give you my number. You ain't even got to get it. I'll give it to you, motherfucker, you.
Yeah, fuck you too, asshole.
Think I'm scared
Don't
of you?
call this number and talk to me like that, motherfucker.
Asshole.
What?
You're a wet bottom bitch.
Asshole.
What'd you say?
No, I want my fucking typewriters back.
Asshole.
Who are you?
Don't you fucking worry about it. Now, where are my typewriters?
Don't you worry about it, motherfucker. Don't call me and talk to me like that. Don't call anybody on the phone and talk to me like that.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Shut me? Fuck you. Come and shut my mouth, bitch.
I'll shut it for you. Now, where are my typewriters?
Come and get it. I'll meet you somewhere. Come on.
You want to be at the Walmart? You bring my typewriters, bitch.
I'm not your bitch, asshole.
Not yet.
I'll show you, bitch.
Asshole.
Hey, whoever's with you, tell them to shut the fuck up. They don't want to talk on the phone.
That's cross. That's
tell them to quit sucking your dick.
About cross like that.
Motherfucker.
What?
Fuck you, motherfucker.
Fuck you.
Yeah,
fuck you too, asshole. I know, you got me all excited now. Suck it, dick. Later, bitch.
Where's my typewriters, you little bitch?
All right. You realize how stupid that was there at the end. No, you got me.
Someone gets so excited over some typewriters.
You got me, my bad. I'm going to go meditate now.